Okay, I am going to start topic similar triangles. Today we will discuss about the criteria for similarity of two triangles. Put the heading criteria for similarity of two triangles. It means in which condition you can say two triangles are similar. What should be relations for being a similar triangles. Now we will study here. Write down. Two triangles are said to be similar if first their corresponding angles are equal, and second their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional. For being a two triangles similar, two conditions should be applied. Means on two triangles their corresponding angles should be equals, and second the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now take two triangles of same shape. Suppose I am taking two triangles of same shape, like take two equilateral triangles. Make two equilateral triangles, both are separated to each other, and denote the first angles by putting letters A, B, C. A should be on upper vertex and base angles. Left vertex should be B and right vertex should be C. Similarly, denote other triangles by D, E, F. Two triangles ABC and DEF are similar if angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Second relation should be like as AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD. Corresponding angles should be same because you are taking two equilateral triangles. You know each angle of equilateral triangle, whether it is small or big, each angle are always 60 degree. So angle A is equal to angle D 60 degree, angle B is equal to angle E 60 degree, angle C is equal to angle F 60 degree. Now AB by DE. Suppose the values of AB is 2 and D is 4. AB by D is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Again the values of BC is 3 and EF 6. Therefore BC by EF is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Again the values of CA, measurement of CA is equal to 4 and FD is equal to 8. Therefore CA by FD is equal to 4 by 8. This is 1 by 2. Now we are getting the ratios of AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD is equal to 1 by 2. Means ratio of corresponding sides are in the same ratio Therefore, ABC and DEF are similar triangles. Okay. Now we discuss about the characteristic properties of similar triangles. So first theorem I am taking AAA similarity. A denotes angles, triple angle similarity theorem. Now a statement of the theorem is as if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar. If two triangles of same shape are given, therefore, if corresponding angles are equal, then both triangles ABC and DEF are similar. Suppose you are taking two triangles ABC and DEF, in which angle A is equal to D, angle E is equal to F, angle C is equal to, angle B is equal to E, and angle C is equal to F. So corresponding angles of both triangles are equal, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now second characteristic properties, S similarity. Triple S denotes side of a triangle. Now the statement of this theorem should be like as if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then they are similar. Means if the measurement of sides of one triangle, all three sides of one triangle, and the measurement of all three sides of the other triangles are given, and find the ratio A by B, D by E, B by C, E by E, BC by EF, AB by DE, then find BC by EF, then CA by FD. If the values of all these ratios are coming same, then triangles ABC and DEF are similar. To check whether the two triangles are similar or not, and measurement of all sides of triangles are given, then find separately ratio of corresponding sides. Suppose triangle ABC and DEF are given, so find the ratios of AB by DE by putting the values, whatever the values are given in the questions. Then find BC by EF, put the values and reduce it in the form of fraction. Again find the value CA by FD, again solve it and reduce in the smallest fraction. And after that, if the ratios of each corresponding sides are coming same, then triangle will be similar. If the ratios of any corresponding sides are not coming to the other ratios of the corresponding sides, then you can say triangles are not similar. Now, third characteristic properties, SAS similarity, side angle side similarity theorem. Now write down the statement of these theorems. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Means if you are taking any two sides and included angle of these sides of one triangle which are equal to corresponding two sides and included angle of other triangles, then triangles are similar. Again make two diagram of same shape, like both triangles should be same shape. Suppose you are taking two equilateral triangles. Put it first triangle by letter ABC and second triangle by DEF. Okay. Now two triangle ABC and DEF such that angle A is equal to angle D and AB by D is equal to AC by DF. Therefore, ABC is similar to DEF. If you are taking sides AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, then included angles of both triangles should be angle B and E. Therefore, angle B and E are equals and AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. Another case, you can take angle C which is equal to corresponding angle of other triangle F. So angle C is equal to angle F and BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, in this SAS similarity theorems, there are three types of relationship between first triangle and second triangles. Means any type of relationship between two triangles are being made by you taking any two sides of first triangles and included of these sides of first triangles should be equal to corresponding two sides of the other triangles and included angles of these sides should be equal. Then you can say both triangles will be similar. Okay.